Today I will introduce SkyNet tool Fire. What do you think about SkyNet tool Fire? How to register and activate the username, because many users do not know how to use it. If you are seeing on SkyNet tool Fire for the first time, then quickly download and register your name, and the active tool will bypass unlimited without any problem. This tool will fix notifications, eye massages and FaceTime after bypass. You can use it, and there is no need to change serial number to bypass this tool. Just jailbreak and bypass within 5 seconds. Let me show you. After opening SkyNet tool Fire, you will need to register with an email address and username. You need to register SkyNet tool Fire as it does not work without login. Now I will show you how to register. Clicking on this icon will bring up a pop-up to register with email, username and password. Now I will register with my name, password and email address. Let me show you. First I enter my username, password and email address. After filling in the fields, I will now click on the register button to register. You can see I've already registered, but I'm not active yet. I'll show you how to activate my username. Now I will click on the icon button on the right side. After clicking, you will see that I entered my username and password to login. The login button that I clicked last time to login, but did not log in before activating, it will not work if it is not activated. Now I need to open the skynettool.com website to activate for my username. If you use bestofunlock.com, then you can activate from there too. If any website can see our service, then you can use it. If you can't see the SkyNet tool Fire bypass tool, then request them to add this tool as active username, because it is very powerful tool for iPhone. I think now I have opened the bestofunlock.com website after searching for submit username for active, but I also have a skynettool.com account. I will submit in skynettool.com my username, which one I create. Need to search SkyNet tool Fire for active username. Now I select the service for active username for 1 day. Then I can use unlimited bypass for 1 day. I recommend using it because it is the best price. Now I will type the username which one need to active. So I already create account with my name. That username I need to active. I will place order after active. I will tell about tool. After ordering, you will need to wait 5 minutes for activation. Once activated, you can log in with your username and password. Now activated, I will open SkyNet tool Fire for use, but I will tell you about the tool. What benefits will you get after activation? I will say one more thing. After activation, you will be able to work on only one PC. If you try to use it on another PC, your account will be blocked. If it is blocked, please ask for permission to open it. Login was successful, so I will only use this username and password. If I need to use another PC, then I will have to buy another activation. Now I will give some information about this tool. As you can see, after selecting this service, you can only call support for GSM devices running iOS 12 to 14.5. If MEID devices, you can bypass without signal. Same version already I tell you. You can also bypass no signal on any device from iOS 15 to 18.6 or latest version after jailbreaking. You can also bypass any hardware issues after changing the serial number. Passcode service only for jailbreak supported models. After jailbreaking, you can back up the activation file to your PC for future use if there is any problem. There are many services available such as Open Menu, MDM, iService. So if you like my information about this tool, it will be good for us. Please like my video. I will share the step-by-step method to bypass iCloud activation lock easily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.